Right, we've had a visit from an SVR friend of ours in the village, and he's watched my video and he said, well, why don't I bring mine up and we'll have a look whose is louder. So because we modified the exhaust, we've done that, we'll put a little video there. And we've just been having a play, but just before we do the exhaust sound off and do our little alpha male chesting thing, we're just having a look at the two cars. So mine is a 5 litre supercharged. This is 5 litre supercharged SVR. I fitted an SVR body kit and not had it painted yet. This is a very early factory original SVR. Everything is, so I was just going to have a quick look around it. So our body kit seems a pretty good replica. One thing to notice is that on this one, I don't know if this is just early, you've got this middle insert panel, but we haven't got that middle insert panel there. Everything else looks the same. This is the later lights we fitted on ours here, and this is the early lights. So that's the early lights, and that's the later lights. And obviously they do the whole swoopy thing going on. We've both got black letter, and we've both got the black tailgate strips. This is the SVR rear spoiler. We've upgraded ours to the 2018 rear spoiler with the extra holes in here, where that one's just solid on the top. Roof aerials are the same. Let's have a look. Now this is an early one. It hasn't got the little sort of wheel arch spats that go round the wings. So this has just got smooth body sides like ours. Body colour, lower door mouldings there. And they look like they've got a slightly different shape. There's like a different bit there. We got the SVR wheels, we got the Brembo brakes. These are blue. Now, obviously, the wings were different on the SVR, so they've got this sort of dual thing, and the actual wing is different, because if you look over at mine here, you can see these are different. So the whole front wing is different. I fitted the later 2018 bonnet vents on mine, and I've gone carbon. This one's got the original ones, and the original SVR didn't have carbon and didn't have anything different to the standard ones. So this is the SVR grille, and obviously the big impact is the SVR front bumper, which is an upgrade we will do one day. We've got these big air intakes sort of cooling for the extra radiators behind here, whereas mine, you can see there, much more modest air intake there. So let me just zoom out there so you can see there the two. You've got the SVR in the characteristic blue and a normal 5 litre supercharged. I've changed my grille to the 2018 look grille. We've changed the lettering to black. Right, let's have a quick look inside. Now normally this guy's car's immaculate, so I think they got the alloy pedals or the stainless pedals. Steering wheel's fairly standard, no SVR. The later SVRs had SVR written here, standard. It's got the silver paddle shifts, but not the alloy paddle shifts. The seats they've got the more bucket seats with the extra wings on them. That's all quite cool. Interesting, no SVR. The sill plates are the same. No extra functions there on them. Nothing on the screen. But the magic button that everyone's interested in, this is the naughty button. This is the one that opens up the exhaust note valve. So this is when, so if I start this up, so there you go, and I give it a rev, you can air it. And this is also pops and bangs a lot. But this, if you press this button here, that puts it in naughty mode. You've got the light on, and then so that makes it louder. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a noise test, but I just thought I'd show you around the SVR. It hasn't got door pockets in it. It's got a sort of carbon machined look. So right, what we will do first is we will do a noise test. We've got an app for the phone, and we will put it in standard mode first. So we'll put it in well behaved mode, and then, right then, Gary, do you want to, where's Gary gone? Right, let's do this.
Another thing we just noticed.
Oh, yep.
Massive difference.
Yes, there are differences here.
Massive.
So the side panels here, it's worth I mention that they've got like quite a square profile there, but on that one we've got the color coded. We've actually got carbon, but you can see the shape is completely different. It comes down and out. where this one has almost like got a double step in it there versus that one there. Right, sound test. Right then, Gary. So are you gonna do the video on the sound test? So this is in normal mode. If you hold that, you can video it and show it on your phone. Gary's downloading an app, and it's gonna. So the first test will be, I'll try not to get the pops and bangs in. One thing you'll notice when we do ours is our car doesn't do the pop 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 thing, and that's a remap. So obviously when they mapped the car, the SVR, they made it do that for theatrical effect, shall we say. Right, so we're gonna go now. So I'm gonna try not to make it pop and bang, because that's gonna distort the sort of raw sound levels. I'll go up to 4,000 revs, try and come back slowly, and let's see where it peaks at noise-wise.
So idling, you got 75.
Idling, you got 75, but what did it go up to when we went up to 4,000? Did you?
81.
81, right. I'll put it in naughty mode now, let's see what happens.
Yeah. Still at 81.
Still at 81?
Yeah.
So it's the pops and bangs, I think, that really have the impact when that's valve covered. Right, let's turn this one off, jump in ours, and see what that does. Oh, actually, let's just do a pop and bang. I'm going to do a pop and bang and see how crazy that goes.
There you go, revving it, and with the bangs, shot up to 100.
Up to 100. I think that's where it is in that remap. Right, so we've got some good data there. Let's go and, so the same distance apart, central to the car. Let's see what we can get on this one.
'81.
81, and what was...
That was 81 as well.
Oh! So there we go, we are equal. So, right, so what we'll do, we might need to get this remapped, I reckon, Gary. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
And see if we can get a pop and bang remap done. There we go, little comparison of the two cars and a little bit of a noise test. Very unscientific, but I hope you found that interesting.